A business model is a framework that defines the strategy, structure, and operations of the company. It emphasizes the key components of the business, such as the target market, revenue streams, cost structure, and distribution channels, and illustrates how a company creates, distributes, and collects value. Companies must have a clearly established business model in order to comprehend their value proposition and competitive advantages, as well as to develop a successful and sustainable business. Businesses could boost their chances of success by developing a comprehensive business model that allows them to make informed decisions about resource allocation, development plans, and market prospects. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're helping you become a successful project manager. PM Mindset.